Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number 2. Yes, day number 2. This has to be week 14 for 2024 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. We are still on math. What I want us to do is, I want us to do like a continuation of what we did yesterday. We didn't actually finish all of the questions, so today we should be able to finish them. My name is Mr. Petit.
Those tests are actually pretty fun.
They really?
Yes,
right.
I like them.
That's good.
I don't like them because
You
if you get
don't?
one wrong, you have to redo the whole test.
Some of them are hard.
Some of them are hard. Okay. Well, today, hopefully everyone get 100%. All right. Subject is mathematics. I'm just gonna go past paper questions.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Today is December, not November.
You're right. December.
December is my favorite month because we get to do Christmas.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Go ahead.
My exams start this week.
Your exams are this?
We have classes next week, but my exams start this week.
Oh, okay. We don't end class until the 3rd week in December. That's when our last week is the 3rd week in December.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I had a music exam today.
You had a music exam today? Yeah, some persons are having exams today as well.
I had a music exam too.
Depending on like your school. All
I
right.
had Spanish.
Spanish today, right? So they probably start electives this week and then they expand from there. Okay, so first
the special.
Say it again.
They're doing the special.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Then they'll do
they'll do the main ones, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. We have 6 into 720. Yes, go ahead.
I want to know if I have to be here next week because
because of your classes. Speak with your mother. We still have classes, but if you are unable to make it because of exams, I understand. But speak with your mother. She'll be able to advise you on that. All right, so we say 6 into 720. So what y'all got for this one?
120.
120?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Okay, how many times does 6 go into 7?
One time.
One times. Herman, how many times does 6 go into 7?
Once.
1. 6 times 1 is what?
6 times 1 is 6.
Very good. 6 times 1 is 6. So we say 7 minus 6, which is what?
1.
Which is 1. Very good.
Bring down the 2.
We bring down the 2.
It becomes 12.
And Herman, how many times does 6 go into 12? How many times does 6 go into 12, Herman?
Once.
No, not once. 6 times what number is 12?
Twice.
Twice. Very good. 6 times 2. So Herman, how many times does 6 go into 12?
Twice.
Twice. Very good. So 6 times 2 is 12. That makes sense? So we say 12 minus 12, and that gives us
12.
0. We bring down the
0.
You have to bring down the 0 right here. How many times does 6 go into 0?
0 times.
0 times.
6 times 0 is
0.
0. And 0 minus 0 is
0.
0. And so that means the answer here is
120.
120. All right. Do you all understand that? Let me know if you understand that, please.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Herman, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I understand it also.
Good. So another one. So we say
I was doing division today.
that's good. So you should be ready. So next question. Lorenda, you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You do?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's do another one. So we say, I think we have space on this side to do it. So let's do it on this side. For those persons who are still writing this down. All right. So let's do another one. So we have, say, I want y'all to try this one actually. See if y'all know how to get it. This is 13 into 179.4.
We can add all the zeros we want.
Okay, certainly can. But try to do this on your own. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. We can call this one the first one, number 1. And then we can call this one the second one, number 2. Okay. So 6 into 720. Then we have 13 into 179.4. So 6 into 720 and then 13 into 179.4. Maya, please turn your camera. Lorenda, turn your camera as well. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. Let me know what you got for this. Again, put your hands inside the chat. Let me know what you got, please.
Those are Mr. Petite.
Uh-huh.
I put my answer inside.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Lincoln put an answer. Herman, are you finished?
No, sir.
Okay. AJ, you done? And
No, sir.
Legacy, are you finished?
No, sir.
All right, so let's go ahead and do it. So we say,
I got my answer, Mr. Petite.
what you got?
On 13.8.
13.8, okay. So let's say we have 13. How many times does 13 go into 17?
Once.
Once. Herman, how many times does 13 go into 17?
1.
Herman, how many times does 13 go into 17?
Once.
What is 13 times 1?
13.
13, good. Please put your brother down and let him go where you have to go.
Holding him.
Yeah, put him down, Let someone else hold him. You're in class. Now, what is 7 minus 3?
4.
4.
4.
Very good. And 1 minus 1 is?
1 minus 1 is 0.
0.
0.
We bring down the
9.
9.
9.
I forgot the
13 times 3 is 39.
13 times 3 is
39.
39. And so we say 49 minus 39, which gives us what?
10.
10.
10.
Very good. Asia, you understand this so far? Where's Asia?
Yes, sir.
What are we gonna do at this point? At this point, Asia? Do we bring down the 4? Asia, do we bring down the 4?
Yes, sir.
Good. Class, how many times does 13 go into 104?
100. What? Not 104 times.
8 times.
8 times, very good. 8 times. And so we have 13 times 8, which is what, 104? Yeah, that's exactly right. 13 times 8, which is 104.
I love exact questions.
Yeah,
like
I like exact. Yeah, you know, no other. So it's gonna be 4 minus 4, which is what? 0, 0 minus 0, which is 0, 1 minus 1, which is 0. And we cannot forget
0.
the point in the middle. All right.
Decimal.
Yeah. So it's gonna be 13.8. All right. You all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. You have this written down? Herman, you have this written down?
Yes, sir.
Lorenda, do you have this written down? Let me know, please. Maya, how come you got this wrong?
Because I realized my mistake. I like my eyes.
Yes, sir.
What happened, Maya?
Like my eyesight. I was looking on the iPad and like I didn't see the 9.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, let's do another one. So we have, let's do this one. I don't know if y'all know how to do this, but you could try.
This is a fraction.
PEMDAS?
It's PEMDAS.
Yes. I did PEMDAS today too.
Really? PEMDAS, number 3.
I remember doing it in grade 5.
Yeah, PEMDAS. Parentheses first, then exponents, if you have exponents. Multiplication and division from left to right. And then addition and subtraction. So we do PEMDAS. So this is PEMDAS.
I think I got my answer.
Put inside the chat for me, please. So we have PEMDAS. The P is for parentheses, the E is for exponents. The M is for multiplication, the D is for division. We do these ones from left to right. Whatever one comes first from left to right, that's what we do. The same thing for addition and subtraction. And so we have okay, so let's go over this. We have what are we gonna do? You have to multiply first, right? Because multiplication comes first.
3 times 5 is 15.
From left to right, the multiplication comes before the division. So we multiply before we divide in this case. So we have, okay, so we have 3 times 5, which is what?
15.
15, very good.
Testing.
Minus,
12.
what is 12 divided
12.
by 4?
3.
12 divided by 4 is
3.
3 plus what?
6.
Plus 6. Very good.
Oh.
All right. It's gonna be equal to what is 15 minus 3?
12.
15 minus 3 is 12.
I think I got my answer.
What you got?
Wait.
12 plus 6. What is 12 plus 6?
18.
12 plus 6, 12, 13,
sorry,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Gonna be 18. All right. All right, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Wait, so we said
Yes, sir.
15 take away 3, and then we said whatever that. Wait, the answer was 12,
Yeah,
and then we said 6 plus 12,
yes,
and then we said 18.
yes.
Why didn't we divide?
Divide? Why didn't we divide?
Yeah, it's right there.
We did
Called
divide.
divide.
That's
did-
how we
we
got
did.
3.
Yeah, we did divide. 12 divided by 4 is 3.
Okay, I
Yeah,
see.
yeah. All right. So the answer is 18. Okay, y'all understand that? Let me know if you understand this.
I understand.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I understand.
I
Um,
understood.
who said they don't?
I understand.
Who said they don't understand? Someone said they don't understand. Asia, turn your camera. And the rest of you, use camera's not on. Turn your camera, please. Trinity, do you understand this? Where's Trinity? Trinity, can you hear me? Ayana from Asia, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Trinity, do you understand how we got 18?
No, sir.
No? Okay, let's do another example. So first, let me explain this first. So we have 3 times 5. And what is 3 times 5? That gives us what?
15.
15. Then we do 12 divided by 4. What is 12 divided by 4?
3.
3, very good. And we just bring down the 6. Next, we have 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is what?
12.
12. And then we have 12 plus 6. What is 12 plus 6?
18.
It's going to be 18. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's do another one.
Did we write number 4 for this or like?
This is number 4.
Yes.
This one is number, yeah, this number 3. And then this one is number 4. It's going to be similar to this one, but I want to know that y'all are able to do it. So let's say we have 3 times 6. Everyone should do this, please. Put your answers inside the chat. Minus 18 divided by 9 plus 5. Put your answers inside the chat for me, please. I need you to do this and put your answers inside the chat. Herman, let your brother go. Let your brother go. He should not be here. So we have 3 times 6 minus 8 divided minus, sorry, 3 times 6 minus 18 divided by 9 plus 5. All right, what y'all have for y'all answer for this one?
I got 22.
Okay. All right, thank you, Maya and Lincoln. Asia and Herman and Legacy. All right. The rest of you, what y'all up for this? Trinity, what you got? Trinity, what you got for this?
I got 21.
You got 21. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. All right, let's go ahead and do it. So with the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to do, 1 second. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 times what?
6.
3 times 6, very good. Now what is 3 times 6?
18.
18, very good. It's gonna be equal to minus, what is 18 divided by 9?
2.
2.
18 divided by 9 is
2.
2.
18 divided by 9 is 2. Plus what?
5.
Plus
5.
5. Plus 5.
Plus 5.
Very good, plus 5. Next we have, it's gonna be 18 minus 2.
16.
And 18 minus 2 is what?
16.
16.
16. That's gonna be 16 plus what?
5.
16
5.
plus 5. Very good, 16 plus 5. It's gonna be equal to, what is 16 plus 5?
21.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Who all got 21? Let me know if you got 21, please.
I did. I did.
Very good.
I got 21.
I did.
All right, perfect. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so Herman, you understand how I got that answer? Herman, do you understand that? Herman, do you understand how we got our answer here? Where's Herman? You understand how we got our answer here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. I want us to do this one. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. This one says find the value of t in the equation 12t is equal to 168. Number 5. Number 5. Go ahead.
I don't understand.
You don't know how to do this one?
So,
Okay. If you don't know how to do this one, put n inside the chat. If you do not know how to do this one, put n in the chat for me.
Now, I did something similar to this before, except I had more information.
And Lincoln, you don't know how to do this?
No, sir.
Okay. Kermit don't know. Miranda, you know how to do this? One second, please.
I understand.
All right. So we have 12t is equal to 168. Maya says she understand. What you got, Maya?
I got 14.
You got 14.
Yep, sir.
Okay, so for this one, what we have to do is let's write the equation down again. So we have 12t. 12t is equal to 12t is equal to 168. What we're gonna do here is we're going to, this is your introduction to linear equation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna divide both sides of this equation by 12. Okay. So
I knew we were dividing something.
Yeah, divide both sides of the equation by 12. So we have to divide this. So 12 into 12. And we have to divide this 168 divided by 12. Here, so you have to be paying attention, otherwise you won't know what to do. So we divide both sides of this equation by 12. The 12s are going to cancel each other, so it's just going to be cancel. And so it's going to be equal to t is equal to 168. 168 what? Divided by what? Divided by 12.
12.
12.
Very good. 168 divided by 12. And what's 168 divided by 12?
Question, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
What if all the numbers were like, that was 12? Like, all 4 of them were 12. All of them would cancel out each other, right?
Well, yeah, all of them will cancel each other. But you always divide by this number right here, the number in front of the t. So, well, so we have t is equal to 168 divided by 12. So what we're gonna do here is, how many times does 12 go into 168? Just go ahead and divide it. So 12
Can I
into,
answer that question?
try, go ahead.
12 could go into 168 14 times.
14 times, okay. She says 14 times. 12 go into 16 how many times?
What?
Once.
Once.
12 times 1 is what?
12.
12. 12. And then 16 minus 12 is what?
14.
16 minus 12 is
Oh.
what?
4.
4. Yeah. Bring down the
8.
8.
8.
How many times does 12 go into 48?
4 times.
4 times. 12 times 48. Sorry, 12 times 4 is 48. And
Yes.
so we
You
have,
subtract.
it's going to be 0
It's 0.
and 0. So we have that t is equal to what?
14.
14.
14.
So in this case, all we have to do is
Excuse me.
divide by 12. Go ahead.
I was saying a way how my teacher teach me is that
Mhm,
if you look at the 12 to or whichever number you get,
mhm.
and like if it's like a high number and like it's in your timetables, you can see which one it is, or if it's not, you can go like up to like 13 or 14, and if it's there, then that's the value
That's
of
the value
T.
of it. Yeah, that's a good way. That's a good way as well. So all we're gonna do here is divide by 12. Let me give y'all another one. So let's say we have this another one. This is gonna be, what number this is? This is number 5, right?
Yes.
So let's do number 6. So number 6 is number 6 is find the value, find the value of,
Daddy, I think the man called you. I think the man called you.
find the value of t, find the value of t in the equation, Find the value of t in the equation. All right, so we have 12c is equal to 192. 12t is equal to 192. I want you to solve this for me, please. What is t gonna be equal to? Lorenda and Maya, turn the camera, please. But we have 12t is equal to 192.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go
Do
ahead.
you want us to put our answers inside the chat?
Yes, put your inside the chat once you get it. Put your inside the chat.
What'd you say?
Um, Kylie, do you understand what to do for this one?
Pardon me?
Do you understand how to do this one?
Which one?
The same one, number 6.
Yes, sir.
You understand what to do? Asia, you understand what to do or no? Asia, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maya, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What y'all put for this one?
16.
Okay,
16.
16. How did y'all get 16? What y'all do?
I only divided 12 by 192. That's
Very
all.
good. Very good. So what we gonna do is,
I did that too.
yeah. So we say, all we gotta do is say t is equal to what? 192 divided by what? Divided by
12.
12. What's her name? What is her name? Trinity. What you got for this?
I still understand.
You still don't understand?
Yes, sir.
We just have to divide 192 by 12. Okay. So we say 12 into 192. So how many times, Trinity, does 12 go into 19?
Once.
Trinity? Trinity?
Oh, sorry.
That's fine. Trinity, how many times does 12 go into 19?
Once.
Once. 12 times 1 is what?
12.
12, very good. And so we have 19 minus 12, which is, we're gonna subtract. 9 minus 2 is what?
9 minus 2. 7.
7. We bring down the what?
2.
We bring down the
2.
2. How many times does 12 go into 72? How many times does 12 go into 7? What times 12 gives me 72, Trinity?
6. 6 times.
6, very good, 6. So 12 times 6 is what?
72.
72. So what's our answer?
16.
16, very good. Understand it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kylie, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
And Herman, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give you, go ahead.
So the way how you do it, all you do is just divide.
Yeah, you just divide, yeah. Let me show you
But
another.
the way how I do it, I multiply.
Now the thing is, the reason why multiplication works is because you technically divide it. Because you already know what 12 is, and then you just figure out what it is after that. So let's do, let me give you another one. So let's do 12 t is equal to 180.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Do this one for me.
May I
That's
go
gonna
use the
be,
bathroom?
it's
May I
gonna
go
be
use the bathroom, please?
quickly, this number 7. 12t is equal to 180. Do this for me, please. Kylie, what school do you attend?
Silverstone.
Silverstone, okay.
This is petite. For my answer.
Good, put your answers in the chat. Asia, what you got for this one?
16.
16, okay. 16 for this one?
No, 16.
For number 7?
No, sir.
What you got for number 7?
I still working it out.
Okay. Um, Lincoln, what do you get?
15.
And Lorenda, you got your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, so how do we get what all they got, by the way? What all they got for this one?
I got 15.
15.
Maya, why you have 10? Where's Maya?
Yes, sir.
How you got 10?
Oh. Oh, I divided wrong.
Asia, how you got 15, Asia?
I do my answer yet.
Oh, you want the answer yet? Okay. So what we have to do here is we have to take t, and it's gonna be equal to 180 divided by what?
Divided by 12.
Divided by 12. And what is 180 divided by 12?
15.
15.
That's gonna be 15.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. The way how I got it wrong is like when you're supposed to bring down the 8, instead of like bringing down the 8, I was thinking about 2, so I wrote 2 instead of 8.
Oh, okay. I understand. Now let me just show you all, for those who didn't divide it. Let me show you all how to divide it. 12 into what do we have? 180. So we say, how many times does 12 go into 18? 1 times, right? So 12 times 1 is 12. 18 minus 12 is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's gonna be what? 6. We bring down the what? We bring down the 0. How many times does 12 go into 60? How many times does 12 go into 60? How many times does 12 go into 60? Hello, can you let me?
12 could go.
How many times does 12? Kylie?
What's
Kylie,
up?
how many times does 12 go into 60?
I know.
I want Kylie
60?
to answer. How many times does 12 go into 60? 12 times, what number give you 60, Kylie?
12 times. 12 times. Can I say my 12 times table, please?
Don't look in the back of the book.
Okay.
It's gonna be 12. 24. It's what? 12, 24, what else? 36. Then 48. And then what?
65.
60. So it's gonna 5 times, very good. So 12 times 5 is going to give me, 12 times 5 is going to give me 60. Did the rest of y'all get 15? The rest of y'all get 15?
I did.
I did.
I did. I did. I did.
Kylie, did you get 15?
Yes, so, Mr.
Okay.
Petite,
Uh-huh.
my brain just wasn't breathing just now. I just
Okay.
had to stop because my head.
Put the lollipop up and then you'll focus much better. Eat that after class if you're eating it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one. So we know how to do that one. Now, are we clear on how to do these ones? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Maya, you can't eat that food right now. Eat that after class. You can't eat that now. What are you doing? Come on. So we have 6, 1/3, 4 and 4/9, and then 4 minus 1. I think this one is the hardest question that we have done.
This?
This one is no, this one right now. The same one. This one is a hard question.
I remember these from the first time. Before I entered your class, we had to do this exam.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so we have 6 1/3 plus 4/9 minus 4/1.
I think I learned this in class before.
Anyone want to try?
Now it's time to play the guessing game.
6 1/3 plus 4/9 minus 4/1. Lincoln, you know how to do this?
Yes, sir. Did we do a question similar to this?
We did. Yes, we did the addition only. Here we have a mixed number. Then we have the fraction, and then we have another fraction.
I did something like
Yeah. Try it. Put A, B, C, or D. 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 Which one do you think
I
it is?
don't think I have learned this yet.
Lorinda, you don't know how to do this? If you don't know what to do, put N inside the chat. If you don't know what to do, put N inside the chat. Okay? If you don't know what to do, put N inside the chat. Maya, you don't know what to do?
I can't remember what I do inside class.
No, sir.
No?
This actually got me.
Wow. Y'all don't know how to do this? 6 1/3 plus 4 over 9 minus 4
No,
over 1?
sir.
No? Wow. Interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. 1 second.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, try it, Lincoln. Try it. All right. So we have 6 and 1 over the third. 6 and 1 over the third plus 4 over 9 minus 4 over 1. Okay,
It's
so
the-
how are we gonna do this? Yes. What do you think?
I
How you think we're gonna do
I
it?
think it's B.
Think it's B. Okay. All right, so let's try. So we have 6 and 1 over 3 plus 4 over 9 minus 4 over 1. It's gonna be equal to,
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
Me and my mom has somewhere to go for 5:30. She asked if I could leave at 5:30.
Yes, you can, you could. Let's just do this one
Okay.
before you go. What I'll do here is, the first thing I'll do, I'll change this improper fraction and this mixed number into improper fraction. So
You have to divide. I know you have to multiply and add.
we have to multiply and add, yeah.
Is
So-
it 6 multiplied by 3 plus 1?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So 6 times 3, right, plus 1. What is 6 times 3? That's gonna be what?
18,
18 plus 1.
19.
19.
Very
19
good.
over 3.
19 over
19
3.
over 9.
19 over 3. We keep the 3
Denominator.
as a denominator. Yeah. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19. Plus, it's gonna be what?
4 over 9
4 over 9
minus 4 over 1.
9 minus what?
4 over
4
1.
over 1. Yes. Minus 4 over 1. All right. So since we're dealing with 3 of them, we could try and make the denominators the same for all of them. Okay.
LCM.
So what is the LCM of 3, 9, and 1? What is
3,
the LCM of 3, 9, and 1? So we can easily find that. So
9.
it should be 9, yeah. Because the multiples of 3 are what?
3, 6, 9,
3,
12, 14.
6, 14.
Oh, 15.
3, 6, 9, 12.
15.
15, and continuing. What are multiples of 9?
9, 18,
18,
27,
24.
36,
9, 18, what?
27,
27.
36.
And then we have the multiples of 1 are just what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yeah,
12,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
and so on, right? So the lowest common multiple is going to be what?
9.
9. 9, because 9 goes there. 9 goes there. And 9 also goes here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 9 straight through. All right, so that means what times 3 gives us 9?
3.
3 times 3. Whatever we do the bottom, we must do the top. What times 9 gives us 9?
1.
1. Very good. 1. Herman, are you writing this down? Herman, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
And what times 1 gives us 9?
9.
9.
9. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. That's going to be equal to 3 times 3 is
9.
9. 19 times 3. What is 19 times 3?
57.
19 times 3. 9 times 3 is what?
27.
9 times 3 is 27. Put the 7 down. Put the 2 above. Right? 3 times 1 is what?
3.
3 plus 2?
5.
5. It's going to be what? 57 on top?
Yes, sir.
57 on top. Plus what? 4 over 9.
9.
Yeah. Minus what?
36 over 9.
4 times 9 is 36. 1 times 9 is 9. Okay. It's going to be equal to we have the add, right? So 57 plus 57 plus 54 is what? 57 plus 54 is what?
61.
57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Yeah, 61. Gonna be 61 over 9. All right. Minus 36 over
30.
36 over 9. Because we bring this down, this one. And then we
What about the 4 9?
and we do 61 minus 36, which is what? 61 minus 36.
25.
It gives us 1 minus 6. We can't do that.
We
Cancel this one. This is 5. It's going to be 11 minus 6. What is 11 minus 6? That's going to be what?
5.
5.
5, yeah.
5.
5 minus 3 is what? 2. So it's just going to be equal to what?
25.
25.
25 over what? 25 over?
9.
9.
Over 9.
9.
Keep the same 9.
Are you concerned?
But what we have to do is we have to change this into, this is an improper fraction. So you have to change it into a mixed number.
Into next number, right?
Yeah. So 9 goes into 25 how many times?
2 times.
Pardon?
9 goes into 25 how many times?
2 times.
2 times.
Twice. 9 times 2 is what?
18.
18.
18.
18. Very good. 5 minus 8, we can't do that. So we're gonna do
Regroup.
You borrow from
15.
me.
Yeah, 15 minus 8. What's 15 minus 8? It's
7.
gonna be 7, yeah.
And then 1 subtract 1 is 0.
Yeah, that's 0. So this is gonna be what? The whole number is what?
The quotient.
2.
The whole number is?
The quotient.
The whole number is
2.
2, right? The numerator is?
7.
The numerator is 7.
And then over 9.
And the denominator is what?
9.
The denominator is what?
The divisor.
Yes, that's correct. The denominator is 9. So it's gonna be 7 over 9. So the answer is 2 and 7 over 9. What is the correct answer then?
B. I put that in the chat.
B is the correct answer.
Excuse me, Miss.
I was thinking B.
You was thinking B? Yeah, now you know how to
Me
get it.
too.
Yeah.
Yes,
Asia
sir.
as well, that's good. That's very
I
good.
have to leave now.
All right, no
I
problem,
have to leave
Lorenda.
now.
No problem, Lorenda. Do you understand this before you go?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's good.
sir.
Good.
Bye.
Take care, Lorenda. Okay, So we got 2 and 7 over 9. Make sure to write this down, please, because this is good, very important work. And Legacy, you understand this?
Um, I sort of.
Sora, what part don't you understand?
I think when we get to well, there's different things I don't understand, like
Like what, for example?
what are we why are we multiplying and stuff like what we're
Or why are we
multiplying with.
multiplying to get 3 and stuff like that? Like, how do we get this?
Yes, sir.
Because remember, we had to find the LCM. And we found that the LCM is 9. Why is the LCM important? Because that's going to be the new denominator for all 3 of these fractions. Notice that these 3 fractions have different denominators. So our goal is first things first, make all the denominators the same. In order to do that, we have to find an LCM that we could use. And so that's why we found the LCM, which is 9. And so we just multiply this by 3 because we get 9. We multiply this by 1 because we get 9. And we multiply this by 9 because we get 9. But the thing is, there's a cost because whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So if we multiply the bottom by 3, we have to multiply the top by 3. That's how we got 57. If we multiply the bottom by 1, we have to multiply the top by 1. That's how we got 4. And if we multiply the bottom by 9, we have to multiply the top by 9. That's how we got 36. Okay?
I see. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so that's that. Let me quickly give you all this quiz before y'all go. The quiz is going to be based off what we have done so far.
And the pasta.
That's just the ones we did today. Just the ones we did today. So what I want you to do, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp so that we can go ahead and do this quiz. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. All right. Now let's go ahead and do the quiz. I'm going to put the quiz inside the chat. Everyone should get it right. This is going to be part 2 of the test. So let me just put that at part 2. All right, I'm going to put inside the chat. Once you have started the quiz, please put started. Again, once you have started the quiz, please put started inside the chat so that we can begin. It's out of 11, so try your best to get all right. It will be there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you've started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Put your name, your full name, last name, and first name.
When I'm doing the Google Forms, my camera is going to turn off.
Okay, no problem. Legacy. What's legacy? What number you on?
Pardon?
What number you on?
I'm on number 1.
Okay,
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
I'm done.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Can I turn on the light, please?
Yes, you can. You can. Maya, you finished already?
Yes, sir.
What you got?
11 out of 11.
11 out of 11. Did you send in the work for me?
No, sir. I'm gonna send it in right now.
Yeah, send that in too, please. I'm gonna give you one more. That's just like the last one, and then we'll see if we can get that done. Okay. All
Do we
right.
have to finish it?
Say it again.
Do we have to finish it?
What? Which one?
The one that you're gonna send me.
Yeah.
The one.
What sort of question is that?
I mean, like, do we have to get like 11 out of 11 to like clear?
No, 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 no. It's not time to leave yet. So I'm gonna give you this one.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
If we put the decimal in the second question, would we get it wrong? Because of like the decimal there.
The decimal in the second question. What do you mean?
Yes, sir. Like when you add the decimal, you said last time not to add the commas to any of them. Like, should we add the decimals?
What number this is?
This number 2.
Second one. Oh yes, you need to put the decimal.
Yes, sir.
Not Asia. Maya, you see the question?
Is there like for the last one? Is there a 3? Is that like a 3? Like, is there isn't a fraction like underneath it?
No, it's just 3. It's supposed to be 3 over 1. I'm sorry, put 3 over 1.
Yes.
Yeah, put 3 over 1. Just so it'll be just like what we did. All right.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
My question say caption less image.
Refresh it. Refresh the page. The internet might be the problem.
Yes, sir.
Because I don't even see your video.
Mr. Petit, it's not saying caption less image anymore.
Okay, that's good. You can see it now, right?
See,
Yes.
you told us to put 3 over 1.
Yes, I did.
Yes.
I'm done, Mr. Petit.
What you got?
11 out of 11.
Finally.
Want me to send that to you?
I see it. I see it.
Oh,
Still send it though. Still send it. in retrospect. Still send it. Asia, please redo it.
I got 11 or 11.
Let me see. Very good, Asia and legacy. Y'all two could leave legacy and Asia. Y'all could go.
What'd you say, Mr. Petit?
Y'all two could go. Lincoln, what did you get wrong? What did you get wrong? Lincoln, what did you get wrong? Where's Lincoln?
I got number 15 wrong.
No, 15, okay. Legacy, you could go.
Bye, Mr. Petit. Bye, everybody.
Take care.
You too. Thank you for teaching us today, Mr. Petit.
Thank you as well.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Go ahead.
Is that all the instructions for the last one?
You finished?
Oh,
What you got?
and-
What you got? All you had to do is solve it. It's like how we did it. That's like how we did the
I
other
got
one.
it on 11.
What you got?
For this one, I'm not done yet, but I was looking inside my book because I didn't get to finish it because we was going on the Google form.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I understand. Do you see it now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Herman, did you finish your quiz?
Yes, sir, but I gotta do it all over again.
Yes, you have to redo it.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I got 100.
Got all right? Yeah, that's correct. I have to go over some topics with you. When is your math exam? Lincoln?
My math exam?
Do you know the date?
It is on next week, Tuesday.
Next week, Tuesday? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I know. So before next week, Tuesday, I have to go over, I think 5 topics with you. That's on your study schedule. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Have a good night.
Yes, sir. You too.